Welcome to the Blanc Inn Suites. Create your own California story at our El Monte Hotel. Stay right in the middle of the best of SoCal at the Blanc Inn Suites in El Monte, offering comfort and convenience in affordable, pet-friendly rooms and suites. A stay with us means waking up refreshed and ready to explore Los Angeles' major attractions, many just minutes away. Create your custom California story with trips to the track, sunsets at the beach, hikes in the mountains, shopping jaunts to famous malls, days at Disneyland, games at Dodger Stadium, or meals at tasty nearby restaurants. With spacious rooms and suites, complimentary Wi-Fi, and a prime location, we make it easy to create your perfect California escape. LeBlancInElmonte.com